Welcome back. Okay, so we got 3 trays that were just randomly done. I didn't even do like a behind the scenes like as I was making them type thing because it just kind of came to me. So I'm gonna get up and do this real quick. We're gonna start with this yellow one because I really like this color. Like when I was making it, I was like, ooh, this looks good, this looks good. And then I did like a few different things to get this thing to be full. Also, this is my first time using this mold, so ow, it's giving me grief already. And I see some, well, are those bubbles? I don't know, but thing tight. Ooh, smooth though. Oh, I like this. This is so cute. So the freaking grooves are like damn near non-existent. This is basically a trinket holder. That's fine. I can make something work with this. These grooves are non-existent. Like this is actually ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna make something work with that. This is officially a trinket holder because these are just decoration. Like, what are you holding there? It's a good thing this is. Do I have another one of these molds? I think I have another circular mold. I hope I do because I think I got rid of the other one before using this, and that was my bad if I did. And I think I have another one though, but this is crazy. But it feels really cool and it's deep. Like, I like it, so that's what matters. I'm gonna go for black next since we did one yellow and there's another yellow. I love how easy these are to unmold. Oh, yes. You see that? I don't know what this is over here in the corner, but this giving. You hear me? And I love how when I do these and I put the like gold down, how it like floats just enough so that just enough resin gets underneath it so that it'll do what it needs to do. This one though has just like a little air bubble right in here, so I'm gonna have to put some clear in there. But other than that, this mother is smooth. Like, it's literally just this one part here that I need to just drip some resin in, but the rest of it, that thing's smooth. I need to file down the edges because we got some foil here and here. Just a little sharp. Oh, and that thing firm. Yeah. I low-key want this. This look damn good. Like, I am so pleased with this. Yeah, that look good. All right, next one. Third and final tray. Ooh, I didn't even do this all, what you call it. That was just a real, yeah. It's hanging plant tray. I feel like the silver effect that I wanted looks more prominent on this side than out here, and that's crazy. There's like none in the middle. It's just a little whatever. Well, actually, it was like the pink that had the silver in it, but I like this pink and yellow. It gives me like a starburst type of thing, like a feel, you know? I'm gonna have to clean up these little holes a little bit and then add some cord, and then we are ready for the markets. I'm dropping things. I am very pleased with the way this one came out. Like, this one, I think this was the first one that I did out of the bunch. Yeah, I did this one first, and then I did this one, and then this. They were all made on the same day, like within an hour of each other. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this one. Like, I like it, but I feel like the silver flakes throws it off a little bit. But I really like the definition and like the separation of the colors around the edges, and then how it like merges in the middle, you know? And this one, I just really like it because it's like, I don't know, it just definitely gives trinket holder. Like I can just check off my things. Oh, that's not coming off. And just throw them in there. Yeah, now we got a little bowl to keep my things at the end of the night. Because no, honestly and truly, you see anywhere where the holes like that would hold something for you to like, this doesn't even make sense to me. Like, who made this? Now I gotta look and make sure that I have another circular one because that's crazy. Anyways, enough ranting. Don't pay attention to my hair. I don't know what's going on. It was cute at one point and I just took it out to make this video so that I didn't have bra straps showing. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out Pointless Talks if you haven't listened to all 100 episodes as yet. Be kind to each other. Be kind to yourself, first and foremost. And yeah, if there's anything you want to see me make, let me know. Resin related, of course. But yeah, just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.